First, we add or import the object we want to cover with plants to the scene.
Now we have a beautiful and muscular car and we want to cover it with plants.
Add a sphere and scale it to fit the width of the car. We select the body on which the plants will grow. Go to Physics tab, click Dynamic Paint. Click Add Canvas and change Surface Type to Weight. And click on the plus icon in the Vertex group.
Select Sphere and go to Physics tab again, click Dynamic Paint. Change Dynamic Paint tab to Brush. Click Add Brush and change Source to Proximity. Preparing the flow animation in the direction where the plants will grow. Let's check, is the weight paint flow we prepared working correctly? Let's bake the animation we made so that it doesn't use too much memory. We add the plants that will grow on the body from the library. And let's not forget to rotate it 90 degrees to the y-axis. We select the car body and go to the Particle tab. And Add Particle. Click on the Hair section. If you want, turn on the Advanced option, then use it to rotate plants randomly. Hair length to 1 meter. Go to Render, and select Collection. Scale 1. Select the plant's collection. Increase the emission number of plants to cover the object. Go to Vertex Groups and add the vertex to length. This is it. Now you can control the animation and render. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share.